yeah, who auction. Say say Ghanaian Times, baby, advertising. Say auction we. And who MPB or NDC Mp, Madam for Pano. Who say say auction fee.
Hey.
And I'm a friend on Busa, no sad, no so go primaries.
No, what you was here?
Anna, or honor or country any team is any Sikasa or banner, the team member back. So, bet me organize BB 46,000 Ghana cedis, any panel cover buy. Or move you on no primaries you want or your XMT. Anna, a buy and a crank. Look. Asem na ye back and forth sang confronted the no cockot so that me feel no more target akoji ruli
see auction on
Tony feel omo be Tony feel last week about 2 weeks nam nesa so din komone or can and former MPB ho asem nam se MP we at least me or Tony feel be me ansa I saw it. Na me nini you close by.
The bear politics.
No MP dada.
Wow.
No MP dada. E be fie me no bia na oton fie ba kon kra. O de sort nkrofo. O de sort nkrofo. No. Asabi ade ne say ye wo mo ba politics mi say. Omo de ba be pe bibi. Omo de be pe bibi dia ye
of auction the baba so 21st ya bosumi ya o
me won oh you anyam anya wo wo mo nso a ti sa na do nom ne nkrofo mba politics mu say enya bibi ne e ba be pe nya bibi ne e ba be pa ko de nya japade bi ne e be pe akofie enya yire nom ne e be pa allowance but unfortunately
the family you belong to what me show mu anado president for being around for so would not him. You can't cry more penocre. You can't cry Ghana phone here. Ha! Me say Ghana phone me say check the phone video. All because a check the phone didn't another time, a check the phone I know ya. Ha! Ghana for what to can. Some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana. Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called move from say judiciary some law no nyet mo Ghana na mo tia bloche mra na ebibu ablochire emra enti wudi dia honfanto fom emra enti wonu so gugotem edan ho kra wutimi ndoso wutimi no kwate round so Mama dia dia mo say hey atem dia na de fisikro we have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country, no be able what's the minutes in at all? Ghana no, say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you can some. Yes, you have been in senator. Oh, Papa President. Now because go now to form. Now me to form. Cause go near Canada. Lower primary school, SLC, and ultimate now school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, they can run as your president. Because go near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it near from me. Now one hour by yesterday. Ghana 40 minutes ya to Obama obia ya to Obama. It we honorable. It also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand key, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you was schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying? Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. no you kwanya. Wo you kwan papa. On hwe ma hu nkwase kwan. Eno kwa de na mani ho. Enso na do kwan a oguno eyesin J.J. de. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital, healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, time near the Kabi, and Yakan and Echo from, and Yakaya fro, and Nuna air Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yakan and air fro, medical school. Nako 4 by ever 2 papa, and what the buses, metro buses. Eban ye fro ye and a Ghana for ye the body go metro mass and ye say no and to Ghana to Memphis Ghana for no season ye problem Kofoba Fessiano Zinato papa Edia dear Satam Noana o Kofoba ye and no Makofo ye o papa went to me and yebi o doesn't count Johnny and this cry as I got Johnny before near the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know Mokasa, we are not forcing your own. Okay, say you to know where face the country, no, we are not forcing me. And come back to Ghana for say. Wobi abaji blabu bi abanin chew komu di nyansa bekasa komu ka cha Ghana for say mu amosisi sidan fon mosisi sikode na wo kwan ho mu amode e de say kiosk wasisi kwan no yembu punu nyina na abrochire nyasa ne te sa you to nim nyansa komu ka de te wa abrochire aka cha president say ye pese Ghana e tie ma me mu omote kwan no wo mu sore president usimakat ya famo mu free. Yes, see, Kajatia market. To Mama Yadie. Nano said to Yadie. Nanado Yadie. Nanado Betwasum. I take Kajakat, Yaya Johnson Dioma. Who got Johnson again and it walk. Well, just as a can you would idea.